Meaning of fiber.
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 Fiber. The term fiber refers to a thread or filament that is typically made of natural or synthetic materials and has a long, thin, flexible shape. Fibers can be used to create a wide range of products, including textiles, paper, and composite materials. They are also an important component of many natural materials, such as wood and plants. Fibers can be grouped into different categories based on their chemical composition, length, and other physical characteristics. Overall, fibers are a versatile and important material that have many practical applications in industry and everyday life.